In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use a Capital One virtual card in store. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you wish to use your Capital One virtual card to make payments in store or in shop contactlessly using your phone, what you have to do is input all the details about the card into a digital wallet. So, in order to acquire all the details about your Capital One virtual card, as you might expect, you need to use the latest version of their mobile app. Open the Capital One mobile app, select your card that you would like to check the virtual card details for, and scroll down until you find the virtual card option. Sometimes, for example, in this Venture X card instead, it is going to be at the top. Regardless of where the option is, find the option to view your virtual card details, and immediately you will be given the card number, the expiration date, and the security code. By using these credentials, you will be able to input the card into a digital wallet, and this is the only way to use the virtual card in contactless payments. So copy all of these details, note them down, and open the digital wallet of your choice. For this video, I'm going to show you how to do it for an Apple Wallet, but just like you might expect, it is the exactly same process if you are using the Google Wallet instead. In there, tap the plus sign at the top right corner of the screen and you will be given the option to input all of the card details. So input the card number, expiration date, and security code. And as long as you verify the card properly, it is going to appear under your wallet as one of the payment methods. You can repeat this process as many times as you wish with as many virtual cards as you have from Capital One or any other banks, and they are all going to be available as payment methods. Now, the next time you want to make a payment in store, just select this card as the payment method and hold your phone near the card reader. As long as your phone has NFC capabilities, you will be able to use the Capital One virtual card or any other bank card in store. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Capital One virtual card in store. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.